Fire Stick not working? Whether it's a black screen, frozen display, no power, remote not responding, no signal, or Wi-Fi not connecting, this problem can show up in different ways. In this video, I will show you step-by-step troubleshooting you can do at home, starting with simple fixes and moving to more advanced solutions to get your Fire Stick working again. First, let's do a quick restart. Take your remote and press the Select button, which is the center OK button, and the Play/Pause button at the same time. Hold both buttons together for about 10 seconds. After that, the Fire Stick should restart on its own. Wait for it to fully turn back on and then check if your problem is fixed. This step can fix issues like a frozen screen, lagging, or small temporary glitches. Now let's do a full power cycle. Unplug your Fire Stick from the TV's HDMI port and also remove the power cable from it. Leave everything unplugged for about 30 to 60 seconds. This gives the device time to completely power off. After waiting, plug the power cable back in and connect the Fire Stick to the HDMI port again. Turn on your TV and check if the device starts normally. Next, check the power source. Make sure your Fire Stick is connected to a wall outlet and not the USB port of your TV. The TV USB port may not provide enough power. Use the original adapter and cable that came with the Fire Stick. You can also try plugging it into a different wall socket. A weak power supply can cause problems like a black screen, random shutdown, or the device getting stuck in a boot loop. Now, check your HDMI and input settings. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI input where the Fire Stick is connected. If it is on the wrong input, you will see no signal. Try switching the Fire Stick to another HDMI port on your TV. If you are using an HDMI extender or dongle, remove it and plug the Fire Stick directly into the TV. Also, check that all cables are firmly connected. If your Fire Stick is stuck on the logo or completely frozen, start with the soft restart using the Select and Play/Pause buttons. If that does not work, unplug the device from power and wait for about 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Once it turns on again, check if it loads properly and moves past the stuck screen. If the remote is not working, first replace the batteries with new ones. If it still does not respond, reset the remote by pressing and holding the left button, the menu button, and the back button together for 15 seconds. After that, wait a moment and test the remote again to see if it starts working. If your Fire Stick is not connecting to Wi-Fi, restart your router and modem. Wait until your internet connection fully comes back. After that, turn your Fire Stick off and then turn it back on. Once it restarts, check if it reconnects to Wi-Fi. If none of these steps work, you can do a factory reset as a last option. Go to the home screen, open Settings by selecting the gear icon, then choose My Fire TV. After that, select Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm the reset. Once it finishes, you will need to set up your Fire Stick again from the beginning. Keep in mind that this will remove all apps, accounts, and settings from the device. That's it for this video on how to fix a Fire Stick that's not working. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods help you get your Fire Stick back up and running. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides. If you have any questions or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.